What's up, YouTube? Back here with another mother video. And if you're not watching, you will get left. And I'm not coming back. And I got another car in the collection right now. And it's going to be on the next clip. So I need y'all to do is subscribe, man. Y'all missing out. What y'all doing? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And today is the day we continue with the Porsche 911 build part 3. So I appreciate you guys for watching my channel and keeping up date with this build. I know it's a process. It's almost done, but it's not done. Almost. Yeah, we're getting there. I know it's a whole bunch of steps and things that you got to do, but we're gonna get this build done. All right. So y'all don't sleep. Y'all keep watching this video, and yeah, just stay with me. It's almost done. Almost. Not done. Trust me, it's gonna get done. Trust. This trust the process. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm closing out on this video. This right here is what I got done. This right here is the Porsche 911. So I just got done connecting both sides together. Then I connected the rear wing. And so I'm gonna have to pause right here, and I'll do another one on part 4 with the other half of the body. So this right here takes up half of the table. It's going to take up half of the table, when I'm done putting the whole body together, and then working on the doors, the steering wheel, and tires. So alright, so closing out. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.